All right, here we are feeding the birds. Mr. Mason. Yes.
It's raining birds. Wow, it was raining cats and dogs in the dirt land.
What?
Real cats and dogs.
I'm coming, Cameron. Cameron, too. I'm coming right here, honey. Mimi's coming for you.
I'd rather just do
Wait, Mason, let her have her turn.
No, I think she already grew.
No, she didn't. You cut in front of her. That wasn't nice. Say sorry. Look, Cameron. Do like this. Pour it in. Put it over the bucket. Come right here. Hold it. And then you pour it.
Okay.
See? And then look. Take this one and hold it like that. Now let's go feed the birds. No, hold it like this. And then you can come throw it. Just hold it and walk this way with Mimi. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just. Okie doke. Okie dokie. You didn't wait. There they are. Oh, look at the massive amount. Oh my God, they're going to be so grateful. Red birds, squirrels, even the raccoon. Was it the raccoon we saw? You remember?
Yep.
One raccoon. You haven't, Miss Cameron? Oh, look at Mason and Cameron. Oh my gosh. Yes.
Hey, bird.
Hey, that's a weekend smugglers board right there.
Hey, birds, come get some.
Oh.
Birds, come get some. Hey, Mimi, my balloon.
Oh, come on. Come get it.
I can't collect
Yes,
them.
I'm right here with you. Good for you. I'm glad you asked. You did the right thing. I didn't know it went to the street.
Me neither.
That's how little ones get hurt, because they go to the street. You did the right thing.
Is Daddy trying to open the door?
Oh, don't y'all think the birds have enough food?
No, not enough.
Not yet.
Not enough.
Oh my.
We give a toast to the birds. Yeah. Wow, I don't care.
Okie doke.
She says she doesn't care.
Turn this way, Cameron. Hello. Ooh. Oh. I believe that's enough, Mason. You spilling all over on the ground. Mimi's gonna have to get the broom.
I believe I need more.
Oh
I
my.
have a toast. Look, Mimi. I have a. I make a toast.
How about that? I think that's cool. This is Geraldine's Infused Art. My girlfriend in Sunset on Main Street.
Look, Mimi.
It's
Raining cats and dogs.
oh, cats and bird seeds. And this one's from Hawaii, from my daughter. Go, Cameron. Oh my, I think that's enough. That's the last one, Mason. That's enough. One more, Cam. And then that's enough, okay? So yes, ma'am. Here's our red bird from Uncle Glenn.
Hey.
Oh my God, y'all don't understand no more.
We'll eat birds and eat some food.
But that's the whole week of food.
It's a week of food.
A whole 7 days. Wow.
They'll eat it for 8 days, not 7.
Yes. That's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday's food supply. Well, oh my.
I make a toast.
Oh my, y'all so silly.
I make a toast. 2 birds.
Cameron, why you don't do it over the bucket, honey, so it does not fall on the cement? You have a massive supply on the cement.
Hey, a massive supply. I don't think that's enough.
Oh! Y'all are silly. No more after that. I'm closing the bucket. That's it, Cameron. One more. I'm closing the bucket.
Me too.
No, that's it. That's your one right there. That's it.
Can I get some more?
That's it.
Some more. I make a toast.
I gotcha.
Whoa! Bird! Cameron, come see.
Wait, y'all do it together.
I make
Wait,
a toast.
wait, Mason. Let me come to the front.
Cameron, wait, not yet.
Mimi's coming.
I need some.
Ready?
Wait, not yet.
And y'all.
To all birds, cats, dogs, raccoons, and everything that it sees.
Yeah!
For my arm.
Oh my, I think that's the whole bucket.
Put it back in. No,
Say 2, no more.
save
Thank y'all.
our birds.
Bien merci, bien merci. Mimi gonna grab that heavy
This is
door.
hurt. Ow. Is this
Thank you. That's Cameron.